You're driving along, minding your own business, when you start hearing boom, 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 and the car's shaking and hopping all over the road. All of a sudden, this giant reptilian hand surrounds your car and lifts you 100 feet in the air. You're staring eye to eye with a lizard monster. He pokes a huge scaly finger at your car and crack, there's glass all over you. Man, you're steamed. What do you shout at the monster? Obviously, who's gonna fix my windshield? That's easy. JustAdd.com. FixMyWindshield.com to save money and for the best in safety. FixMyWindshield.com.